In this video, we'll talk about wrapper class. So what is wrapper class and what are the implementations of wrapper class? We'll talk about everything. Let's start. So what wrapper class is? In Java, we have 8 primitive data types. I'm talking about primitive data types. The primitive data types are int, float, char, double, long, boolean, byte, short. So in wrapper class, we have to convert these primitive data types into objects. So why I'm talking about object? Many of us say that Java is not fully object oriented. So why Java is not fully object oriented? In Java, you have to use object for calling anything. It can be variable, it can be method, it can be constructor. For calling everything, you need an object. But except these things, there is one loophole. So what is that loophole? Whenever you are using int, float, byte, double, these primitive data types, you are not achieving the properties of object-oriented programming. For that, we have a concept of wrapper class. So what this wrapper class does, it converts your primitive data type into an object. So we have 8 primitive data type. For this 8 primitive data type, we have 8 classes. For int, it's integer. For double, it's double. The D of double will be in capital for the class because it's a class. In wrapper class, we have 2 concepts. One is called autoboxing and another one is called unboxing. We'll talk about autoboxing and unboxing in the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.